Hey guys, I may sound a little scratchy. I just got back from New York. I had a great time for Fashion Week. I didn't have much time to tend to my skin. I'm about to touch it up and just do like a light scrub. Got some new products that I would love to share with you guys. It is from Buttah. It is a skincare kit by Dorion. I followed the brand because it was another black male doing skincare with beautiful skin, by the way, so I was all on board pretty much instantly just to find out why his skin was so nice and glowy. Come to find out, I seen him posting behind the scene pictures of him coming out with this, and now it's finally out. It was given to me from Teddy for a birthday present, so I thank you so much for this birthday present. I do need to do a scrub first, so before I get to this, I'm going to use my Freeman beauty scrub. This one is the Cleansing Apple Cider Vinegar and Clay Mask Scrub. I like this one. It says it instantly tones, purifies, and mattifies for a flawless complexion. Multitasking mask, and it's good for all skin types. It's this one here. So yeah, I'm gonna get straight into it. If this is your first time here on my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on your post notifications so that way when I post another video, you guys are aware of it. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, tell a friend. Let's get into it. Let's start masking. Alright guys, now that I am done masking and prepping my skin, got it nice and smooth with that great scrub from Freeman Beauty, I'm gonna dive into Dorion Renaud's Buttah collection. I am super excited because it is again a man of color who is absolutely amazing for being tenacious enough to create a skincare kit for us. This is the card that came in the box and says Buttah. Our hope at Buttahskin is not to only give you healthy skin, but confidence that comes from a radiant glow. Everybody needs a little butter. From our hearts to your face, Dorion Renaud. Again, thank you so much, Teddy, for getting me this skincare kit for my birthday. I'm about to actually just dive in right now. My skin is prepped, and yeah, here is what it looks like. So from the box, there is a cleanser, a vitamin C serum, and there's also a facial shea butter. This is what the box looks like. Packaging is, there's some little dents in it from travel, but that's okay. I love the packaging. When you open it up, and there is a cleanser, a serum, and a shea butter. I don't know if it goes in this order, but I usually put the serum on top just because it's oil. This is what it looks like. Super, super cool. Here's the cleanser. This is what the serum looks like. Oh, this is glass. Okay. And this is the shea butter. Oh, let's dive in. Okay, so I went ahead and prepped my skin with some water. Again, there was no specific way to use it. However, I'm going to start obviously with the cleanser. Okay, smells simple and clean. So it feels pretty cool. Again, it is a simple and clean cleanser, so let's go ahead and wash this off. The rag, there's no scent, which I like. It's not a ton of ingredients. Feels pretty good. No complaints. Alright, let's go ahead and dry this up now. I'm actually gonna go in the order that it was in the box. So I'm gonna jump to serum now. I'm excited because I actually don't have a serum, so this should be interesting. I love that it has a safety seal. I just like when stuff is like securely packaged. So good job. Might I add, Dorion's skin is flawless. So if this what you're using, I'm buying it over and over and over again. Put it on like all the beauty gurus do. It smells kind of citrusy, slightly tingly, not too unbearable. Air dry that. Oh yeah, it definitely smells like oranges. I'm gonna finish up with the butter facial shea butter. Like this glass. Oh, it smells just like shea butter. I think the only ingredient is virgin organic unrefined shea butter, so that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's all you need. I got a little bit of extra so I could put some in my beard, but let's go ahead and rub this in. Oh, so smooth, so easily. It really feels like butter, which I see where they get the name from. Oh my god. Ooh, look at that. Oh, see this? So smooth and beautiful. Ooh, nice and glowy. You did that, Dorion. Alright, I'm all for it. Just that easy. The whole kit is done. It was 3 simple products, which I'm liking, just like another skincare company I got from another black owned company. It was literally 3 ingredients: a cleanser, this one has a serum, which was definitely different from the other one, and some shea butter. I have toners, I have scrubs, so it's not something that I necessarily need in this kit, but it was super simple. I love the packaging, so Dorion, you get definitely an A+ for that. And I see why your skin is so amazing and glowy, because this is just beyond what I was expecting. I knew with the name Butter that it was gonna be nice, but I didn't expect it to be this nice. So kudos, kudos, kudos. God, the Buttah Skincare Kit is definitely worth it. And this is just like so simple to do, so easy to do, affordable, and you will probably go back and buy some more, because you will be getting compliments on the great silky smooth skin that you have. Oh, I just can't. Do y'all see this? I can't get over this. Like, this doesn't make no sense. I really like this. You onto something, Dorion. I will link everything below in the comment box and on my Instagram, so you guys can go ahead and grab you a Buttah Skincare Kit. It is Buttahskin on Instagram, or you can go to Dorion's page. I'm sure he'll have it linked. Thank you so much again, Teddy, for sending this to me. If this is your first time here on my channel, you already know what to do. Drop a comment. Let me know if you used the Buttah Skincare Kit before, or if you're interested in it. If you're in Atlanta, I'll definitely share with you. I have no problem with testing out some products on some of my friends. So yeah, go ahead and get your little butter, baby. As always, guys, I'm out.